Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the electric power steering guys are located on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to 2017. Guys, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It may be a simple fix. The fuse is a little bit not obvious where it's located. It's a little bit hidden. We'll talk about that. And by the way, if you end up needing to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, now for the electric power steering, come to show you where you can expect to find the fuses and relays. We will demonstrate on that generation GMC Terrain here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, and facing the engine now here on the right side, this is the driver's side, next to the brake fluid reservoir is your main engine fuse box. You have a tab here and a tab here. When you release them, you can leave that cover, and underneath you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what do we need to check now here for the electric power steering? Now if you look at the fuses here, right, okay, the biggest fuse that you can find is 60 amps. But the power steering usually it's somewhere around 80 to 100 amp fuse. It's not here. Let me just get a better angle where we had the fuse still installed. But now if you look guys on the very front of your fuse box, when you open it, do you see that fuse? It's known as a mega fuse guys. That fuse right here, in order to remove it you need to remove the two nuts. This is guys your electric power steering main fuse that you will guys need to check on your GMC Terrain if you have problems with the power steering. If power steering still does not work, we will have a video on the channel that will explain what you need to check and how you can fix it as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.